Today I'm taking a look at the Topec tap socket set. Okay. So we got two different sizes. Those can handle larger and smaller size taps, and they are both 3/8 drive on the bottom. These just have a knurled collar, so all we're going to do is spin that, and that will open up that holder. If we close it down, closes back up. Now it does come with an adapter for an impact, although I would probably never use one of these with an impact. The fact is that we do have one if we want to. What I like about these is that we can throw a ratchet on there, and if we got to deal with a hole that is like right next to a wall, we don't have to be able to swing that thing all the way around. We can keep ourselves on one side and get that hole tapped out. What's also cool with this, unlike regular tap handles, we can throw extensions on it. So if we need to get a little bit further away, maybe we're dealing with something that is kind of blocking our access, we can still get at those holes with this where we wouldn't be able to with a regular tap handle. And there we go. We have got threads. Very cool. So overall, that is a very nice kit.